To Health News Now, and Iowa's governor has signed into law a bill that allows a pharmacist to test patients for flu, strep, even COVID-19, and provide immediate treatment if the test is positive. A local pharmacy calls their program Test and Treat. KTIV's Morgan Jones tells us how it works. That's tonight's Healthy 4.
So what we're trying to do is provide greater access to health care for people.
Bill Drilling, a pharmacist and co-owner of Drilling Pharmacy, has been working with his team to provide test results for strep throat, influenza, and COVID-19 in under 15 minutes.
One good point is that this is something we can provide at a lower cost. People can walk in and get taken care of. And it makes me feel good that we can provide this service to our community.
When you arrive, all you need to do is check in at the counter, describe what you need, and fill out a consent form. Liz Webb, a pharmacist, says it's convenient for patients to be treated, but there are some qualifications to be met before testing.
They have to be at least 6 years or older. We also cannot see anybody that is pregnant. And really, that's just to protect the patient. We're not clinicians, we're pharmacists, so really we're just able to treat based on a positive test.
If you meet the qualifications, you will be sent into their mini clinic room to get your vitals checked and tested.
They'll get a swab done by the tech. We take it back to the back, run it through the machine, and if it's positive, they can get treatment. If it's negative, they do not, and they're just sent home with home care suggestions that they can do.
Drilling says it's an out-of-pocket pay for insurance companies normally don't pay for services at the pharmacy. He says strep tests are $50 plus the cost of the prescription, while COVID and influenza is one test that's $60. And if positive, the antibiotic costs are around $10 or less.
We're charging for the cost of the test plus our labor, and that's basically the only charges involved there. And then if you want a prescription, if you need to get a prescription, then there'll be an additional charge for that.
Testing and treating patients to make Siouxland a healthier community. For Healthbeat 4, Morgan Jones, KTIV News 4.
For more information on the Test and Treat program, just check out this story at our website, ktiv.com.